Plan for today is going to head into Westport, upload a video, then clear that video on the SD card, so then I've got space to film for today. It's just a vicious cycle at the moment, so yeah, just like constantly trying to catch up and then also film at the same time. It's just, yeah, it's just the life. Yeah, and then we'll just carry on down the coast after that. It'll probably be like lunchtime before we get on the road today, but no stress. Okay, I'm sick of waiting. It's going real slow, and I've been here for like an hour now, so it's only at 16% uploaded, so I'll just do it overnight on my data. So I am at Charleston, which is just south of Westport, and there's like two little bays. This is one and there's one on the other side, so I'll just go for a walk around these rocks, have a little picnic out on them by myself. Another beautiful spot, awesome. Still again like insanely good weather. Nice one. So I'm going to get real for a second here. So I started this journey 3 months ago, and when I left with 6 grand, and now I have $50 in my account. So this lifestyle is actually, you spend a lot more money than you think, just on food, fuel and everything, and like oil for your car. Like you just spend money and then you have no money coming in, which is the weirdest bit. So yeah, I'm in a bit of a pickle at the moment. I'm waiting on my bond refund from when I was flatting like 8 months ago. Long story on that, but went to court, we won, and so now we're just waiting on getting our money back, and which will be good. So that'll be $600, and then that'll do me over for, I don't know, probably a month. But I'll get down to Queenstown in a couple weeks and get a job down there and work for a while, save up some money again, and just, yeah, live life down there for a while. Will be pretty sick. Go exploring, meet some cool people, mountain biking, skiing, tramping, heaps to do down there. This lifestyle is like insanely, like I love it so much. It's so good. I could do it forever, eh? But obviously can't at the moment because the bank account's not getting any income and it's just spending. So yeah, time to go get a job soon and build it back up. Ideally I would have liked to have left with 10 grand, but I was just sick of being there, eh? Sick of being in the same job. So, and I was like, oh, if I don't go now, like I'm going to be here for another couple of months. So yeah, so I just left, and yeah, it was like the best thing I've done. It was so, it's been so awesome the last 3 months, eh? Well, I just love it. So yep, that's an update. Today I think I'm just going to head towards Greymouth, somewhere around there, and find a camp somewhere along there. So yeah, alright, we'll go watch the waves. Oh, that's a lot of power. Woo! That was good. size of them over there. Woo! Woo! Alright. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Whoa, whoa. That was a good one. Look at how cool this is. It's a freshly shredded shell of a crab. And it's all in one piece. Alright, see you at the next spot. I just stopped here at Fox River. The water looked real nice and blue. So what an amazing spot. Sick. What a get the drone up for some quick cinematic shots. I don't know where to stay tonight. I need to stay somewhere for free. Because as I said, I got 50 bucks and I need to keep that for fuel. Maybe I'll just have to go find somewhere. Yeah, so we'll go do this pancake walk and then see some blowholes hopefully. And then we'll drive up this river, go to the end of it. Don't know, see if we can camp up there maybe, who knows. Heck yeah. That is mad. That is so cool. Oh, I think that's the blowhole, but the tide's not high enough at the moment, as you can see. That's what it looks like usually. Oh, there we go. Not bad. I'll come back later at high tide. Oh, it's just starting to come up. And we'll catch it then. Heck yeah. Pretty cool. That's sick.
Heck yeah, it's rough as in there. You can see the rat and the face, but that's about it. Pity not that fly drone. There she is. Alright. What to do? I think that's a wrap on the pancakes. I'll see what I do, but I'll come back for high tide, see when that is for the blowhole. But holy heck, maximum stress right now. Well stuck on this beach. Tide's coming in. Talk to you soon if I get out. That was one of the most scariest moments ever. So I just drove along this beach, literally 5 minutes away, not even that, 3 minutes away from the Pancake Rocks. Drove down to this beach, thought I'd go for a nice little beach drive, think about where I was going to stay. Got onto the beach, I was like, oh, this is quite soft. Kept going, and I was like, nah, get off this beach. So I was like, I'll go do a nice gentle arc and get out of here. Tried to do it multiple times, nah, bolt, way too soft. And I was like, okay, I'll go down to close to the water where it's usually hard, but it was just stones. Got stuck, and I was like, crap. Didn't record anything because of how nervous and scared I was. And I was just thinking about, and the tide's coming in. I had 2 hours to get it out, and pretty much in the middle of nowhere. So, and then, so I was trying to get it out, putting sticks under, and it just got more and more stuck. Ended up being right on the diff, everything, super low, and I was like, crap. So, there was a couple fishermen, super nice guys. They were like, we can't tow you out, but we'll drive you up the road to the nearest houses, see if anyone there can help. Went to 2 different houses, went to a campground, called another campground, called the local pub, called the dock. No one could help, or no one wanted to, don't know, but no one could help in this whole town. Nobody could help. I was like, oh no. So I was literally got off the phone, turned round to go walk to my truck and take everything out. I was going to take the tent off, I was going to take everything out of the truck, empty it out, and then I was prepared to go sit on the beach and watch it go down pretty much. But I wasn't going to give up. If that was the case, I was going to try until literally physically impossible. So, but as I turned around, Mitsubishi, I know, came down the track, and I was like, oh my god, stopped them. Like, are you guys in full drive? They're like, yeah. And I was like, can you tow me out? And he's like, luckily enough, he wasn't even going to pack his stuff, but he packed this awesome airbag thing that helped me get out, lifted it up. So we put bits of wood underneath the tires, dug around it, and then he got his, and then this happened. And it saved me. Oh my goodness, I'm so grateful that they came. They weren't even going to come here, he wasn't even going to pack his stuff. It was just so lucky. And yeah, I almost lost my truck. I was this close to losing my truck. Literally, like right now I would have been watching it getting taken down the waves. I'll go show you where it is, where I was stuck and now where the water is. Literally 40 minutes later after getting it out. Unreal, can't believe it, so grateful. So thank you guys so much. So I was gonna go stay high, but they were fishing and their rods were up the top. So I was like, oh nah, I'll just go down and underneath them and then I'll go back up the top. So I came down here and I got down to the bottom here and I was like, oh nah, this is too soft, I don't like this. Went and I was like, oh, I'll drive up and around and I'll get out. Should have reversed, didn't, carried on. Super soft. Super soft through here. Tried to go up there, nah, too soft. Reversed. I was like, I'll go down and around, reversed up. It was nice and hard here. I was like, sweet. Drove up. This is the underwater now, as you can see. Started to get soft. I was like, oh no. And then went through here. And this is where I got stuck. It's already been done by a wave, that's why it's all covered up again. But I was stuck right here. That's 40 minutes later. Would have been done for. Unreal. We used all these logs, there's more under there and everything. It was just crazy, and then he pulled me out here, as you would have seen. Oh man, that was scary. So that's where I got stuck. And that's the water. So it's coming up. The tide goes way up to here. So this is the tide line here. Tide comes all the way up to here. So I would have been, it would have been at my windows at least, if not higher. That's if it stayed on the ground. So super thankful, super lucky. I wasn't even gonna go far. I was just gonna go for a little tiki tour down there. Anyway, then we got out, thankfully. I'll come back down in another hour, see where the water is. That will be underwater. Oh, that was scary. But yeah, I was like this close to taking everything out, and just would have to watch it go down in the water. I was literally going to take the solar panel off, the battery, all my stuff out from the inside, the tent, everything out of the back there. I would have taken everything out that I need, because that's my whole life in that truck. Like if I lose that, I'm done for, eh? So super grateful. Unreal. Eggs on toast. I mean spaghetti on toast with the wickers. And then we'll go catch the sunset on the Pancakes rocks at the blowhole when it's high tide, now that my truck's out of the water, out of the beach. I'm just gonna go for a swim out there, wash all this gravel yuckness off. I don't want to lie in bed covered in stuff, so yeah, and then we'll go up to the Pancake rocks, back to the blowhole, catch that at high tide, and also watch the sunset from up there. So not a bad way to end the day after what's happening. Alright, I'm gonna go for a swim. Just magical. I thought it would be raging, but it's not. Like, here's the set coming in now. Let's see what happens. What? I know it can do better than that. I don't know when the best time to come to get that pumping then, because it's high tide now. Like, when does that happen? It's blue sky. heck does that happen, eh? Okay. I was expecting to see waves up here. Sewage pool. It's more entertaining than that blowhole. I don't know. Maybe it needs like a winter storm for it to go crazy. So, yeah, we'll get it one day going crazy, but not today. Here we go, these cats are sucking going hard. Oh yeah, she's going in there. Ooh. Wowzers. Wow, that was cool. Sunset's not the greatest, but there's more waves coming. Going back over to the pool. Okay, good. Woo! Better. Yee-hoo! Just magnificent though. Mean as waves, beautiful west coast weather, unreal. Alright, that's gonna wrap up today's video. What another insane day. It's 2 days in a row now where something crazy's happened. GoPro, lost it, found it. Truck, almost lost it, saved it. Unreal. Can't believe it. Yeah, that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Yep. In the next video, we're just gonna keep heading down the coast. Who knows what's in store? I said that yesterday and my truck got stuck. So I don't know, we're just gonna go to some beaches and walks and waterfalls maybe. If there's a waterfall, I don't know. I really don't know. But hopefully nothing bad happens tomorrow. Surely not 3 videos in a row. Anyway, chuck us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.